Alright everyone, welcome to another episode of Why the fuck would you buy a 2026 Volkswagen Taos? Are you drunk? Are you terminally ill? This one says emergency transmission. Shut the car off. It's got 1,700 miles. That's right, 1,700. So we're gonna look through the codes real quick. Because you know, this is what you want to see when you get a brand new car. Yeah. You love to see this little Christmas tree lit up. Brand new car. Hey mom, I'm gonna go take a stroll in my brand new car. Oh, it won't go. So let's just see if it needs a recheck, like every other car these days. Or a reflash, my bad, I'm sorry. Function limitation due to energy management. What does that mean? Let's see what's in the ECM. Low coolant, well that's not true. EVAP control system malfunction, well that's not true. Temperature, engine temperature, you know what? This is not true. We'll write them down and then clear them and take it for a drive like we do all of our other ones. I'll have to look for I'll test the battery first, but I'll have to look and see if there's any campaigns for software updates, because I'm pretty sure. How many codes can you have on at once? Now what is this? Lane change? No. Light control? No. Invalid data received from ECM PCM. So U0401, that's the classic. That's the classic. What do we got here? Nothing incredibly important. Data bus. We're just gonna go ahead and clear everything, boys and girls. And it should take them. And then I'll run it and check the battery and take a little break to read, and then I'll get back with you about what campaign this one has out. Were you smoking meth when you bought this VW Taos 26? Were you threatened at gunpoint? Alright, so first, we'll just get it started. And we'll see if they just stayed off, so we'll cycle the key. I mean, these are cool inside. You know, but when you got to get it towed in because you got an emergency transmission message. Alright, the light's off. So, we're going to do what we always do, Pinky. We're going to try to take over the world. No, I'm just kidding. We're going to go ahead and just read up on some TSBs. I'm sure there is one or any kind of reprogram, and then I will list it on the video. Until then, just don't even try to drive these. You know what I mean? Just leave them where they're at in the Euroland.